Hello, today we're going to talk about Lego's Dimensions. This is the starter pack. They run around $40 right now. With this you're going to get the Portal, Batman, Gandalf, Wild Thing, and the Batmobile, and also the game. Alright, now moving on to level packs. Level packs will cost you anywhere from $15 to $30, depending on if you can find them on sale. First, we have Back to the Future with Marty McFly, the DeLorean Time Machine, and the hoverboard. Next, we have the Simpsons pack. That's got Homer, Homer's car, and the Tonto Vision. And then there's the Portal 2 pack, which has Chanel, Sentry Turret, and a companion cube. The Doctor Who pack comes with Doctor Who, K9, and the TARDIS. Ghostbusters has Peter Venkman, the Ecto-1, and the Ghost Trap. And finally, the Midway Arcade comes with a gamer kit, the arcade machine, and the Spy Hunter car. Team packs again, these will also run you anywhere from $15 to $25. These are 4 packs, 2 characters and 2 machines. This is the Jurassic Park from the Jurassic Park World movie. You're going to get Owen, an ACU worker, Velociraptor, and the Gyrosphere. I also have the Scooby-Doo. With this, you get Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, the Scooby Snack, and the Mystery Machine. Alright, now we're on to the fun packs. Fun packs are going to run you anywhere from $8 to $12. First, I have Wonder Woman with the Invisible Jet. Then I have Emmett with Emmett's Excavator. There's Cyborg with a Robo-Guard. Here we have Golem and Shelob the Great. The Wicked Witch with the Winged Monkey. Lavelle with a Mighty Lion Rider. Krusty the Clown with a clown bike. Unikitty with a cloud cuckold car. Sensei Wu with a flying white dragon. Superman with a hover pod. Aquaman with a watercraft. And finally the Cyberman and the Dalek. Now I have all these kits and all these packs to make this is what I use to get to 100%. I use something in all of these to complete the game. When I come back, I'm going to show you which characters and which pieces I use to do that. Alright, now these are the characters I'm actually going to use while I'm playing. Got Marty, Doctor Who, Superman, Scooby, Emmett, Superwoman, Wonder Woman, Cyborg, Gamer Guy, the ACU worker, Owen, Chanel, Sensei Wu, Lavelle, Unikitty, Cyberman, Aquaman, Gandalf, Wildstyle, Batman, and who did I miss? I think, Peter Venkman over there. The equipment I'm going to use are going to be the Batmobile, Homer Simpson's car, TARDIS, the DeLorean, Ghost Trap, Wonder Woman's Invisible Jet, the Cube, and the Gyrosphere. So this is what I'm going to use to get to 100% on the game. 100% including all the toolkits and all the rescues. When we come back, next video is going to be about part 1. See you then.